I just made a rhubarb dessert. Rhubarb is a root that grows. Boil it with light brown sugar or honey. I did mine with honey, cinnamon, lemon juice. Then after boiling it, I tip it in this baking dish. Then I left it to cool. Then I do my crumble. I use a little bit of all-purpose flour, then oatmeal flour and oatmeal, rolled oatmeal with butter. Then mix it up with coconut flakes. Then bang it in the oven. Look at it now. So I'm gonna be serving it with raspberry and strawberry and this ice cream. Yeah, this is my favorite ice cream for this summer. Yeah, that's this dish. So here we go. This is yummy, crunchy. That is a rhubarb down there. Put it in the bowl. It's yummy. This is a summer dessert, rhubarb. You get rhubarb during this summertime. Okay? That is a rhubarb. Rhubarb served, so I'm gonna use the ice cream now. Scoop the ice cream in there. Yeah? It's ready to be served. Look, this is delicious. This is a summer dessert, guys.